I gotta do my intro. Like, you came in as soon as I was gonna do it. Gee.
Hi, Millie Muffin.
What's up, Millie Muffins? Go to me and I'm back with another video today, and we're back with another damn vlog. You got all the kids hanging out the car. He said, leave me. Look at my outfit. Go to see the family. Everyone's at the park right now. Why are you just looking at me like that? Are you hating? Are you hating? My girl's hating. Well, it don't look bad now, does it?
No, because I'm waiting for it to slip down.
There you go. Yeah, I flashed you. Yep. You will see it on YouTube like tomorrow. Finally reached at something to 7 in the evening. We've reached where we're meant to be.
Yeah.
Like, it's long. But we got stuff and stuff. Mum got a whole bag packed for this thing. Like, family's over there. She needs to go to them. Ain't seen them yet. You know what I'm saying? Like, whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop. Say hi.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Oh, you're saying hi to me. You're saying hi to
The vlog. You ain't even said hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Hello. Say hi to the vlog.
Oh my God! After 20 years.
It took us too long to get here. Rachel, I finally made it. I finally made it. Hi.
We're going toilet.
You're going toilet. Hi, Nana. Say hi. Hi, everyone. Can everyone say hi, please? Quick. Yeah. Oh, hi, Rem.
Hello. Oh, hello, everyone.
Hey. You lot know Mum's timing is this something else. It don't even make sense. The lighting's real nice.
Oh, what you calling her?
Catching a line. Share the hose. Everybody. Lucy, we're the only family in the park. That's so cool.
Too tight on his neck.
Where's Rachel?
I was gonna
Who you talking about with a bush and a beard?
we were talking about we was gonna prank call Tamia and say
Jump it! Ooh.
we was gonna prank call Tamia and be like your dad's so sexy, you tell your mum to watch out before we take
That's
her back.
weird, because that's your uncle.
No, I wasn't gonna say it.
So who was? Because if it is Tilly's uncle and it's Shanika's brother, so who was gonna say it?
It's a prank.
Just them two. They asked for Timmy's number.
I wasn't gonna say it.
Say hey guys. You guys are the only two that. Shanay, why is your arm out your? Why is your arms out your dress? Why is your arms out your dress? Gotta catch some clips for the video, you know. Like, I gotta fill out the gaps. You know what I'm saying? So like, what are you saying to the camera? You look nice.
I look very Asian.
You look
What's going on the live?
Yes. Yes, it
Hi guys, I'm gonna be famous one day.
is. She is gonna be famous one day. She sings, guys. Well, she sings, but she don't sing because she's not serious.
That was my mom.
I don't know if her mom's gonna allow her to be in the video.
Oh.
Would your mom allow you to be in a YouTube video? Okay. So you might as well say hi then. No, they look like twins. They look like twins. Literally, they look like twins. It's crazy. Absolutely insane, guys. It's absolutely insane. All right. What? You gotta say something to the vlog now.
Yeah.
What up? Shout out the clothing line.
Shout out Boss Bag merch.
Shout out the clothing line. Follow Boss Bag merch on Instagram, yeah, and Facebook page.
You know the
Good
vibes.
clothes, man, trust me.
You know the vibes. And I'm here with you guys. Go say hi to the vlog.
Hey,
What's your dog's name?
Riley.
Riley. Riley. Come say hi to the vlog, Riley. What you sipping on, Shiv?
You know what I'm sipping on. On that juice.
That's liquor juice.
Oh, that real sally juice.
Shit, you know what we on.
You know what we doing.
Reproducing, breeding. Yeah, breeding is the ratchet word.
We
And-
keep reproducing that.
Yep.
That's it.
Everybody just keeps popping babies
There's millions
at the
of
same
them.
time as well. Was a mad thing. Look at that. And like, there's no other family in this park but us. I feel like I'm light on my feet right now. I could just fall over this gate. Remy!
The kitten's in the back. Cuz.
Shit, you might as well promote your tunes and that.
Put
Everyone.
the kitten's in the back, cuz.
What? Your cat's hair?
Nah, cuz.
Oh.
If it is, it's in a black bag.
She's shaking her ass in the camera, Mel.
You doing? Anyway, yeah, it's Remy DB. You know who it is.
You know who it
If
is.
you don't know who it is, you know what I'm saying? You know now.
Shout out the tunes though. I'm gonna put a
Yeah,
link in
yeah.
the description.
Position now. Which side do you want it to be on? This side, that side. I want it to be right
This
there.
side, which one?
Boom.
This one, this
You
way?
know what I'm
Okay,
saying?
cool, cool,
Position
cool.
right there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? 3 ups out as well. Boom,
Yep,
put that
right.
there out as well. Boom,
Yep,
put that
right
there.
there,
As well. You know what I'm
uh-huh.
saying? Harry as well. Boom,
Boom, right there,
as well. You know what I'm
okay,
saying? We out there.
okay.
Shout Team Millie. Boom, right
Boom,
there.
right here, you know what I'm saying?
We out there.
I have something to come. Hi! You're the only one that hasn't been seen in the vlog yet. Chop, 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 chop.
Can you stop this, please?
You can't stop. Wait.
You lot, come on, we're going now.
Come on, kiddies, we need to go now. Come on, guys. Come on. We're going to Grandma's house now to go to the garden. Come on, guys. The camera.
Look at her. Look at her. Kids think she's a nice woman. She's not a nice woman.
How much are you charging that fat woman? 45. 45, man. They might make money. They might make money.
Money are coming.
Look how the park looks full, yeah, but it's actually just one family. It's actually. You think I want to get killed by a time?
If you don't crop that
Do
bit
you
out,
think I want to? I'm just clutching. I'm clutching. I'm clutching.
you drop your toothpick.
Look at you, fool. Bitch. Chabamba club.
But
I don't know. Wait, we're playing football with no end goal. Is there no goal or nothing?
that's why I'm dying. Me up.
The girls are sitting down and the boys are only playing left. The boys are left playing. All the girls are sitting down.
Gang shit.
Gang shit.
Fucking me. I'm outside, alright?
Go away. You want a girl?
What? So I'm a victim because I'm a girl?
You can still play. Come on, kick it over here.
Oh my! I'm sick of you lot. I'm sick of you. The girls have lost. The girls have lost. The girls have lost.
Shut up. Don't underestimate us.
You did it. You've only ran for 2 minutes. It's raining now.
It makes me walk.
It's raining now. We got to walk in the rain. We're too fast. Oh, it's in a shot and thing. And it's a rain now. And now the rain a pour down on you. English summertime confusing. Liam. Liam.
Now I gotta walk.
Alright, see you got you lucky kids that get dropped down by car.